Hello my dear student, again I am here to teach you grammar, and today I will teach you countable and uncountable noun. And in the last class I have taught you the different kinds of noun. What is countable and uncountable? Countable means what? Which can be count. Which we can count, which can be counted, that is called countable, and which cannot be counted, that is called uncountable. यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, as you can see what I have said here, it is given. There are some things that we can count. कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं which we can count, जिसको हम लोग गिन सकते हैं, काउंट कर सकते हैं. These are called countable nouns, just like boys, girl, apple, egg, bicycle, aeroplane, day, hour, minute. These things which we can count. There are some other thing that cannot be counted. कुछ ऐसी भी चीजें हैं जिसको हम लोग गिन नहीं सकते. That is uncountable noun. Just like water, air, bread, money, wood, smoke, music, teeth, beauty. These are things which cannot be counted. These are called uncountable noun. Just like, by dear student, please think. Can you count water? Can you count? No, we cannot count water. When we say, can you ever, have you ever listened that anyone is saying that I have 5 water? No, I have 5 water bottles. I have 5 glass of water. Here are some glasses of water. But we cannot say, can't be said that 5 water, 2 water, because water cannot be counted. Just like air cannot be counted. Something which we cannot count, that is called uncountable noun. Here it is given that, you can see, uncountable noun are often the name for idea or a quality. Some ideas or a quality which cannot be counted, that is also called uncountable, just like knowledge. Can we count the knowledge of any person? No, we cannot count the knowledge of any person. We cannot count the beauty of any girl or beauty of any thing or any place. We can count. We can feel. We cannot count the anger of any person. We can feel that he is angry. We cannot count that he is how much angry. 5, 10. No, we cannot count. It is not countable. It is not be counted. It cannot be counted. So it is uncountable now. Okay. My dear student, here some differences are given. As you can see, here some differences are given. Differences between countable and uncountable now. Differences between countable and uncountable noun. As you can see, the first point is they usually have a singular and plural form. The countable noun, what is singular and plural? Singular, it means one. Plural, it means more than one. How can we say it is singular or a plural? When we can count, then we can say that it is singular or it is plural. If we cannot count, then how can we say it is singular or plural? No, we cannot say. So, countable noun have a singular or a plural form. But uncountable, they can be used only in singular. Uncountable noun can be used only in singular noun. Understood? They usually do not have plural form. They do not have plural form. We cannot say sugars. Can we say sugars? No. We can say only sugar. Angers, knowledge? No. It used only in singular form because it is uncountable. The countable noun has a singular or plural form. Uncountable noun hasn't. Second point is we use a and one with this noun in the singular. Yes. With a singular form we use a and one. Whenever we count, then after we will add 1, 2, 3, whatever. But a and 1 we can use with only countable noun. We cannot use with uncountable. We cannot use a or an with these nouns. We cannot use. We also use many, few, and several to express. Several to express. We can also use many, few, and many, a few, and several to express quantities like. Countable noun, we can say with a countable noun many books, a few money, several times. So these are countable noun. These are countable noun. That's why we can use the many, a few, and a several word with only countable, with only with countable noun. Okay. To express quantity, we use a word of expression like some, a lot of, a piece of, a kit of, a great of. These are some words which we use to express the quantity of uncountable noun. Some. I have some money. I have some money. Lots of money. Lots of water. Lots of water. So these are words which we use with the uncountable noun to express the quantity of that. There are some more points for uncountable noun. So let's see what is. First one, he gave me a great deal of advice before my interview. Great. If you say how we can use a great with uncountable noun. He gave me a great deal of advice before my interview. Deal of advice. Deal of advice means what? The quality. एडवाइस एडवाइस में सलाह सलाह को हम लोग गिन नहीं सकते हैं, है ना. सो ग्रेट, अ ग्रेट, दिस इज यूज्ड फॉर द क्वांटिटी ऑफ अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. सेकेंड वन इज दे हैव गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ फर्नीचर. प्लीज गिव मी सम इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट uncountable noun. They have got lots of furniture. They have got lots of furniture. Lots of furniture. Furniture cannot be counted. So it is uncountable noun, and for the quantity of furniture we use a lots of. We use a lots of. The things which made from the furniture that can be counted, but furniture cannot be counted. Okay, just like chair, we can count chair, but we can count chair, but we cannot count furniture. So for the quantity of furniture we use a lots of. Okay, the last thing is these are also qualified by much, a little, as such much milk, a little sugar. So for the quantity of uncountable and for milk, a much milk, a little sugar. These are some words which we used for quantity of uncountable. Okay, understand? Here some examples are given. A pound of sugar, a liter of milk. It means which word is used for which thing. A pound of sugar, a liter of milk, a meter of cloth. Pound of sugar or yes, pound. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना 1 kg शुगर देना, 1 किलो चीनी देना, 1 लीटर दूध देना. These are the word which we use to say the quantity of uncountable noun. Okay, there are some examples are given. Note, here some note. What is note? Be careful with the noun here which is normally uncountable. Here is also uncountable. Can we count here? No. So he has long hair. Long hairs नहीं लिखते ना, hair, because hair is uncountable now. So we use only hair. Hairs not hair. However, it can be counted when referring to individual stand. It can be counted when इंडिविजुअल एस्टेट, यानी हम मान लो काट करके कुछ बाल को रख लिए, 4-5 बाल हमारे उखाड़ के हमने साइड में रख दिए, तो दैट कैन बी काउंटेड, दैट इज ऑल्सो हेयर, बट दैट कैन बी काउंटेड. माई फादर गेटिंग अ फ्यू ग्रे हेयर नाउ, इट मीन्स मान लो कोई बूढ़ा आदमी है, सामने के बाल कुछ पक गए, है ना, तो उसको हम लोग गिन सकते हैं कि 1 2 3 4, दादाजी आपके 5 बाल पक गए, दैट कैन बी काउंटेड. बट normally it cannot be counted, however it can be counted when referring to individual stand. सब जब कुछ बहुत में कुछ की बात हो तब हम उसको गिन सकते हैं. Okay, here some examples are given, so let's see what is some exercise are given, so you have to do it and please do it by tomorrow. I will check it, I will call you. If you will not complete it, then I will not teach you the next chapter. Okay, question number 1, put A or N where necessary, put X where no article is required. The first one has done for you. T cannot be counted, so here the X is given and is a drink, so O is given. ड्रिंक मीन्स होता है पीना, एक ड्रिंक मीन्स होता है पेय, पेय पदार्थ, पेय यानी कि पीने वाला सामान. सो complete it. Here are something to teach you. What is that? Non with plurals. Non with plurals, just like permission, permission, scenery, furniture, freedom, advice, homework, silver, music, clothing, dirt, common, intelligence, etc. The scenery around this village is pleasant, singular. The scenery around this village is pleasant, plural, plural. He gave me permission to leave, singular. All these people gave permission to leave, plural. It means what? The some words which is used same in a singular or a plural form. Just like यहाँ पे क्या दिया है कि मेरे गांव का विलेज जो है, my dear student, here is the one error, I think. These not this. Here this should be right. First one, no, first one, these not this. Okay, so the scenery around this village is not village is pleasant, it is in singular form. The scenery around this village is pleasant, it is in plural form. But scenery is a word in which the singular or a plural form is same. Permission is a singular and plural form is same. He gave me permission to leave. All these people need permission to leave. So this we can identify this word with noun, which is used with. Okay. Common errors. Sometimes we make mistake in using determiners. The word which express quantity of noun, here are some examples. Incorrect. यहाँ पे देखो कुछ इनकरेक्ट और करेक्ट दिया हुआ है. अब हमें ये देखना है कि हम कहाँ पे क्या गलत कर देते हैं. There are not any food left for you. There is not any food left for you. I have advice for you. I have some advice for you. I had a large chocolate. I had a large packet of chocolate. So these are something which we usually do in a incorrect way. It's like there are not any food, which we use any word, any, then it is in singular form, any. So we have to use is with it. Okay, any is singular. Many, when we use many, then we have to use are. But if we are using any, it means it is in singular, so we should use any with is. Okay, I have advice for you. Advice, I have just said that advice is uncountable, so we have to use something with it. So what is? I have some advice. Few advice, some advice, lots of advice. He had a large chocolate. He had a large chocolate, not he has a large packet or a bar of chocolate. Not any roses are not any roses were available, no roses were available, any. If we using roses, then we have to pick out the any. Okay, these are something which we do, so mind it and read it very carefully. Here are some exercise also. Fill in the blank with the correct form of noun. Could you please give me some dash about the examination schedule? What is dash? Could you please give me some information, not informations, information. Could you please give me some information about the schedule? Raj and Sakshi formed a strong friendship, friendship, none of these. What? Raj and Sakshi formed a strong friendship. There are some exercises, so you have to do it. If you have any problem, so you can call me and I will solve your problems. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Here are some options. Excuse me, I need any sugar in my tea. Any. How blank rice do we have left? How much? So you have to do it. Here are some exercises also, so try to do it at your home. If you have any problem, then you can call me. Okay, bye student, take care of yourself.